Hello everyone, this is Avinash, and in this video we will learn how to create subdomain on Hostinger and install WordPress on it. Now after logging into your Hostinger account, just beside your hosting plan there will be this button. Click on manage, scroll down to domains, then click on subdomains. Give appropriate name. Make sure to click this custom folder for subdomain, right? And I would advise you to please put two underscores just before the name of your folder. I will let you know the reason in few minutes. Right after this, click on create. You can give any name, by the way, but I choose to give the subdomain name. It is easier to find it. Right now, I'll head over to file manager. So as you can see, this is our subdomain folder. Right now, this is only one subdomain folder, so it is not very confusing to find the subdomain. But if there are multiple subdomains you have created, then it will be hard to distinguish between the parents folder and the subdomains folder. So this is why if you put the two underscores just before the subdomain folder, then it will be instantly recognizable that these are the subdomain folders and not the parent folders. Right, so this is my approach. You can choose whatever you feel like, but I prefer doing this. Right now that we have created subdomain, let's install WordPress on it. Now to install WordPress, click on website, go to auto installer. Now there are two options, WooCommerce and WordPress. So WooCommerce is basically for someone who wants to build a shop. So if you want to create a e-commerce shop on your subdomain, you can choose WooCommerce. This will install WordPress and then WooCommerce. Right, so but for this tutorial we will be choosing WordPress. Click on select, again give website title. Now this is an important step, right? The installation path. Now choose the right domain to install WordPress, right? So if you forget to do that, to click on advanced and then choose the right appropriate domain name, then you will install the WordPress on the parent domain, right? And this will wipe out everything, all of the data from your parent domain website, right? So make sure to choose the right domain, right? The other thing that you can do is, before creating a subdomain, I would advise you to take the backup of your website, right? So if you have a business web hosting plan, then or cloud web hosting plan, then Hostinger automatically takes daily backup of your website. And if you're on the premium web hosting plan or some basic web hosting plan, then I would advise you to take the backup manually first and then do this, because you might forget to choose the appropriate domain name, right? So make sure to choose the right domain name, leave the subdirectory empty and click on next, click on install. Now this will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes to install WordPress. Now you can see that WordPress has been installed on our subdomain, right? So make sure to choose the right, first you make sure to choose the right parent domain name, and then on the right hand side you can choose the subdomain, right? So we have successfully installed WordPress on our subdomain. We can go to front end and check it. So you can see we have successfully installed WordPress on our subdomains. Make sure to check out other tutorials from this channel. Thank you.